Lady simply a gift of God, ladies and gentlemen, as we welcome to the Sunset Strip stage the lovely and talented Crystal.
Can I get your table?
Thanks.
My pleasure. Right this way. You, meeting somebody here?
No.
You mind if I join you?
Yeah, no.
Oh, great.
What's a nice boy like you doing in a place like this?
I own it. It was a birthday gift from my uncle a couple of months ago. I was going to sell it, but, it kind of grew on me.
I wonder why. So what'd you do before this?
I was a lawyer, but that was too sleazy. Are you a dancer?
Yeah, sort of.
Let me get you a drink, okay? Carrie,